put it this way, 80% of the industry I don't like, 20% I love. 20% of the industry I love, you know. But the opportunities that I got signing with a record company is one of the greatest opportunities that anybody can get in this business. The people you meet in this business are some of the people, them are some of your idol them. One of my greatest moments in this business, in this industry, is when I met the Purple King himself, Prince. That's a moment I will cherish from now, because he has been one of my idols. He has been one of the greatest performer in my eyes, one of the greatest musician in my eyes. This brother inspired me from east to west, as far as it from each other. See? And I get to meet him and talk to him personally, sit down one-on-one with him backstage at his club. He have a club named Grand Slam in LA. And I get to meet him. And right before I went in there too, because it was an official meeting them set up between me and him, because they know how I feel about him and blah, blah, blah. At the company, because this was Warner Brothers at the time, and he was signed to the company too. God. And before I go in there was a little guy or a girl or whoever she was. I don't know who she was, but she started giving me she gave me about 40 rules. But the two I remember is, do not reach out to touch his hand. Do not touch him. Do not hug him. Do not. The only thing she never tell me to do is don't kiss him. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I look on her like, cool. Because see, what they don't realize is Prince is a Gemini, 15th of June. I'm a Gemini, 14th of June.
So you understand him.
You only see the side of us that we want you to see. So the minute she start telling me about what he don't want you to do, I realize that, him trick you too. So I just trick her too. I was like, okay, man, cool. And I walk in, and the minute I walk in, him look on me and I look on him, and him give me the, we call it the grin. Him give me this. Because I do it to myself. I'm like, you know, when we laugh at people, you know, and as I walk in, like two tables away from him get up, stand up, come out from the table, walk towards me and extend him hand, grab me and we embrace.
Yeah.
And I was like, damn, the first thing the woman tell me not to do is what him do. You know what I'm saying? I was like, okay. So you trick her too, huh? And him just start laughing. And we sit down and him laugh about a good 10 seconds. Then we start talking. Say, yo, where you from, man? And I was like, oh, Jamaica. So him say, where in Jamaica you from? So I was like, oh, I'm from Spanish Town, live in Montego Bay. He say, I've been there. You been to Jamaica? I'm saying, yeah, I've been to Jamaica, but I've been to Ochos Rios. So I start laughing. I say, no name Ochos Rios, man. Because I'm talking to him in Jamaican now. I'm talking to him like, you know.
Because you know you're normal now. You don't have to give him
exactly.
He gets it.
So I said, it near Ochos Rios, man. We just call it Ochi. He said, yeah, I heard that. And we just start talk. So at the end of the conversation, Virgin, after about 20 minutes, he was late to go up on stage. See, he was late about 5 minutes to go up on the stage because he was performing that night. I said to him, say, you know, I'm getting ready to sign to Warner Brothers. Him start laughing. Him go like, for real? So him say, yeah, I heard that. I'm gonna say, advice. he went like this and started getting on him. Go like, keep your masters. Own your masters. Don't ever give them your masters. Keep your masters. And I look at him like him just said something in Spanish. Because I've never heard the word master before in my life. I never know what a master was.
Up until this point right
Up
here.
until that point. And meeting done, respect, nice meeting your brother, and him say, good luck. I'm gone about in business. I'm gonna walk back to my crew. I'm gonna say to my lady, so I'm gonna say, tell me something. What's a master? And And she started laughing. She said, he tell you that ish too, right? So I said, yeah, him tell me to make sure I keep my masters.
Mm-hmm.
You know? And she started explaining to me what a master was. And from that day until to the day, nobody touched my masters. I own every master from that day until to the day.
That's wild.
You understand me? I got that advice from him as a businessman.
Mm-hmm.
You know, because for years we know the battle that him go through trying to get back his master. And him just get it after him demise. You know what I'm saying? Them just get back all that master after this man demise.
It's crazy.
You know what I'm saying? So the things you learn in the business, as the business along the way, it's very, very important to even you as an artist. Because a lot of us don't really see the business. We see the industry. It's the industry that brings us to our knees a lot of times. You know, and I learned that the hard way. I learned that I've seen brethren that I used to roll with in LA. You know what I'm saying? I see brethren that I'm rolling around, you know, in the same circle. If it's a big up Snoop Dogg for them vibe there, big up my brethren them over there for them vibe there, you know, big up, you know, Ease for them vibe there, brethren. But the truth is, I've seen brethren over there like rich brethren, boom, industry money, you know, and it just go by the wayside. Like the things that we pay attention to and the things that we worship and hug up and glorify, they're props. We respect the props more than we respect the real deal.
It's a distraction. It's all. That's what it's there
the
for.
things that will come for free, you probably have to worry about paying for them later on.
Those are the ones you worry about,
That's
not the ones you have to buy. The ones that they're given to you, that's what you got to worry about.
That's the ones you have to worry about, my brother.
So would you say from that meeting with Prince, from that day, that's when you learned the business, or you were getting a bit of it before that, or that was a day?
That was one of the moments. That was one of the moments when I actually start saying, you know what? I have to learn the ins and the outs, the ups and the downs, the back and the front. I have to learn everything about this business, everything that I can possibly learn and use. Because you can't learn everything about one subject.
For sure.
You know, so I have to learn all of the important things about this business. What the hell is a master? I didn't know that. You know what I mean? So from that moment on, I start inquiring, I start studying, I went to Las Vegas. You know, when me and Warner Brothers, them couldn't get along, I just pack up my old studio, put it in a U-Haul truck and go Las Vegas from California, from LA, drive to Las Vegas and set up shop over there, you know, start working with basic everybody, hip-hop, reggae, everybody.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.